guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share some lemon flavor chicken. How to cook is very easy. Within 10 minutes it will be ready. So I'm going to show what we need for that. We need some ground ginger, ground garlic, and sliced half onion, and one red chili, lemon, and some pepper, crushed pepper, and some ghee or butter. So I'm going to use today is 5 mixed peppercorns. So you can use any peppercorn or kali mirch. So I'm going to show how to cook it step by step. It's very easy. Within 10 minutes you can cook. So let's begin. Chicken niblets I washed already and drained the water. You can get any kind of chicken, like a part, like a chicken leg, whole chicken, or boneless chicken you can cook. So today I'm going to cook in the ghee butter. So I'm going to spoon 1 spoon of ghee. We don't need to put too much. So as the ghee is hot, so I'm going to add half teaspoon of cumin seed, jeera. Then I'm going to add garlic. I have to wait a few minutes till it's little bit brown. So you can see the garlic is a little bit brown. Then I'm going to add onion. Have to fry a little bit. Then guys, you can see onion is a little bit changing color, is brown. So I'm going to add ginger, 2 spoons of ginger. Red chili, this is a fresh red chili. This is very hot. Only I'm going to add only 1, because later we're going to add pepper as well. If you want to more spicy, you can add more chili. Then I'm going to fry a little bit till it's brown. So guys, you can see it's all garlic, ginger, and onion a little bit brown. We don't need over brown, as we have to leave like this. I'm going to add chicken. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're not going to add any turmeric powder or haldi, because this is a lemon flavor. So then I'm going to add some coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Then I'm going to add little bit red chili. This is not very spicy, only this for the color. Then I'm going to add chili powder, little bit, not too much. Fry till chicken ready. Keep frying. Also keep stirring like that. I'm going to squeeze half lemon here in the bowl. Going to add that. So you don't need to add any water, so we need the gas little bit down. Then I'm going to wait 5 to 7 minutes to cook. Then in the middle you have to stirring up as well. So guys, you can see that chicken started changing color. So I didn't add any water, so keep stirring up like that and cook in this slow flame. So we have to wait another 5 minutes. So guys, you can see the chicken is cooked. So I'm going to add some garam masala. Then I'm going to cover at least 2 minutes garam masala. cover up 2 minutes. Then guys, I'm going to add some pepper, black pepper, little bit. So it's done. It's cooked now. So guys, this is the garlic, ginger, lemon and butter flavor. It's very yummy. So it's very quick and nice recipe. You don't need to cook too long. So it's done. So guys, I'm going to put little bit coriander on the top. So guys, you can enjoy this chicken with the chapati, rice, or only with the salad as well. So it's a very nice recipe, you must try. So thanks for watching me and see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.